following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas. This is a statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The El Paso Police Department is searching for Kenji Montoya, white, male, 2 years old, 2 feet 5 inches, 28 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes. They were last seen at 8:46 p.m. on March 13, 2024, at the 11,200 block of Kingfish Court, El Paso, Texas, 79936, wearing a Spider-Man long-sleeve shirt and blue jeans. Police are looking for Miguel Montoya, 29 years old, white, male, 5 feet 6 inches, 130 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and wearing a black Dragon Ball V baseball cap, black leather jacket, and blue shirt, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a gray, 2020 Dodge Journey, bearing Texas license plate number TKR0213. The suspect was last seen in El Paso, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the El Paso Police Department at 915-316-7134. News media point of contact is El Paso Police Department at 915-212-4040.